I'm pre-sales engineer for Exalate. Today I want to show you how we can keep inline attachments between Jira and Azure DevOps. So these attachments, as you can see here, they will also go to attachments inline into Azure DevOps. So how do we do that? So imagine we have a new task, let's say inline images. So let's first send it over. So with Exalate, we can just click here, more, and Exalate, and then we select the right connection and it will send itself over. We can also automate this process. Right now I have it manually set up. So this will now synchronize to Azure DevOps. You can see here a synchronization status has been added and it's synchronized. So that means if I go to my work items, then here we will see this has been added. So right now, if I add a description, if I add, let's say, an image, so I can just put it here. I can also add a comment. All right, so let's do it. Okay, I added. So these things, they will stay in line. Now, as you can see, the description is already here. So we're just waiting for the comments. Now, why is this impressive? Is because in Jira, everything is getting sent as wiki, and in Azure DevOps, everything is getting processed as HTML. So that means we need to convert it, and we're gonna use Exalate for that. So after we installed Exalate on both sides and we made a connection between the two, then here is what's happening. So I'm going to make a class and I'm gonna call that class and I'm gonna say wiki to HTML. So I'm gonna convert it to HTML of the issue description and of the comment body. And then what is happening is this is getting sent over to Azure DevOps. So let's actually see how it looks on the Azure DevOps side. If I see here the incoming sync, so I'll get there in a second. Just want to show you how that this replica looks like. I can go to the entity sync status. I can select the right project and I can put in the ID, click search, I click on remote replica. And then here we see that it is being altered. So this JSON has been altered according to the outgoing sync in Jira. What do we do in Azure DevOps incoming sync? Well, we also have a method here that we are just calling. So with the comments, we are just calling this and pasting the right data, and then same for the description. So this is how that we can convert the images and they can stay in the same place on both sides. So hopefully this has been useful, and you will find in the description all the code. And then yeah, if there is anything or you have any questions, please let me know, and happy exhalating. Thank you.